All right, so here is what I consider my ultra lightweight camping gear, right? So starting over here, we have the Sun Dick. It's a hammer, it's a pry bar, and don't pry too hard. Um, we were trying to fix something on a broken bike, but anyway. So yeah, it's a hammer, it's got a claw. It's not heavy, but you can, pound the crap out of some tent stakes with it. We have a mossy oak saw. We have a titanium trench tool, which I can open and show you because it's never been used. Yep, you just don't have to poop in the woods as much as you think you do. Been camping in the woods for, I don't know, 40 years, for 35, 40 years. Pooped in the woods twice. We have a flex tail inflator for our air mattress. We have a Whisper Light, MSR Whisper Light, and a titanium cook kit, all in here. There might even be the small fuel in here because it feels like it's got enough weight to it. There could be fuel. We have a pillow. Gotta have that. I still have tags on it. That's funny. I'm hauling that tag all over the Southwest. We have, basically, this is a thermal light. It's a sock that I put over my Repeat SL insulated mattress to give me like a sheet to sleep on, right? This is more or less this guy, sorry. This is more or less my sheet. And the reason I have that, we'll get to in a second. This is my Big Agnes copper spur HV. I messed up when I ordered this. I didn't tell them I wanted the bike version, so I didn't get the little pouch with all the cool stuff. And I was bummed because I contacted Big Agnes. I'm like, can I have a pouch? They said, no, we don't sell it separately. So, yeah, I'm stuck with this. What I do is I put it in a compression sack and get it down to about that big. And then the poles go on a tent pole bag. This is my sleeping bag. And it's an Ember down quilt, basically. Good to 30F, I don't know. Could be. I think I've never had it down that low. It's my Nemo, dang, can't talk. Need more coffee. This is my Nemo Moonlight reclining chair, as seen, on Dork in the Roads videos. All this stuff can be had at Moto Camp Nerd as well, right? Some of the stuff I got on Amazon, some I got from Moto Camp Nerd. These are my shoes. I think these came from Amazon. Camp shoes. They weigh nothing. You can fold them up, bend them, destroy them. You can't hurt them. This is something new. It's only been on one trip. And it's a folding hat. Look at that. Yeah? Pretty cool. I think this is on Moto Camp Nerd as well. And then a headlight. So basically it's my house and my kitchen and my bedroom right here. Right? And it comes in at a whopping 14 pounds. My gear weighs less than the bags that I'm putting it in. Wrap your head around that. So obviously I'm gonna need water, I'm gonna need food, I'm gonna need a first aid kit and tools. So, that's gonna bump me up maybe another 15 to 20 pounds, if that. So I might have 30 pounds of gear total. Clothes and food. I don't take that many clothes anymore. I take maybe one extra t-shirt, maybe two extra underwears, and I wear the same clothes when we're adventure riding. And we smell good at the end of the ride, but you know what? I'd rather ride a light bike than a heavy bike with a bunch of crap on it. That's just the way I've evolved. So yeah, 13 to 15 pounds for this stuff. Then, like I said, add your tools, add your first aid, add anything else you might want to bring. But remember, if you go do this enough, and every time you come back and to the side, you say, I didn't use this. And you look at it and go, will I ever use it? Probably not. Move it over. Will I ever use it? Maybe. Keep it in the middle. And then work your way down to the stuff that you use every single time you go. This gets used every single time I go camping. All of this stuff. So it always goes, right? But yeah, you'll get yourself down to less than 20 pounds of gear in no time if you do that. Lightweight gear makes everything else easier. It really does. So if you guys stuck with me and made it this far, I appreciate it. And you guys ride safe, camp safe, have fun, try to camp light, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.